We've got a brilliant new feature released in EventDraw, which is folders. This feature allows you to better organize your floor plans and saved layouts. To get started, simply contact our team to set up folders and update your account with this new feature. To use this feature, click on Templates to view existing folders. To move a floor plan to a new folder, click on it and select the desired folder. In this example, let's try Car Park. You will receive a confirmation box once the floor plan has been moved. To create a new folder, click Create Folder and type the folder name, for example, Folder Layout. Hit Create and wait for the confirmation. You can also create subfolders within existing folders. They will default to the folder category you are currently in. To rename or delete a folder, click on the three dots next to the folder name. Please note that you can only delete a folder if there are no floor plans inside it. Click on the Home button to return to the master folder list. Now let's organize saved layouts. Folders can also be used for your saved layouts. You may organize them by month, client name, or any other method that suits your needs. To summarize, the new Folders feature in EventDraw provides greater flexibility and organization for your floor plans and saved layouts. To start using folders, simply contact our team for assistance.